Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that meme will continue token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, meme will continue is a community driven meme token on BNB smart chain that embodies the enduring rebellious spirit of internet culture. Memes is a fundamentally a social token that monetizes a viral culture movement and collective belief in the performance of internet meme culture. Can a project build slowly on a viral narrative and community sentiment sustain long-term engagement in a volatile market? Meme will continue. Token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion. Memes token is listed on Binance Alpha, MEX, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.